Hello there, this is James alongside you. I haven't uploaded in a while, but I thought I'd start off with a little Minecraft code tutorial. Now, a quick disclaimer, this is for version 1.8 of Minecraft. Most 1.8 code, if you're not using NMS or Net Minecraft server, will work on higher versions, but the odd occasional block changes or some other things that might be changed can be easily configured or changed easily. So I'm going to code it in IntelliJ. You can code in what's it called, Eclipse if you want to, but I just prefer IntelliJ. Anyway, so once you start IntelliJ, you'll have this page here. Code with a new project. So you want to click on new project. Yep. And I'm going to be coding with Maven, just because I like Maven, so I click on Maven. Now typically with 1.8 you need a 1.8 JDK, so I have one right here. If you don't know how to install a JDK, just search up another video on YouTube. Yep. Click on next. Now you want to have your location. Now I'm just going to leave it here, but normally I do have a dedicated development file or folder for it. So let's name the plugin. I'm just going to have it named tutorial, because that is all I want to do, is make a tutorial. Now the group ID, now it'd be like a domain, or like your name should be me.james likes IDE, but in this case I'm going to have it say net, and snapshots leave it how you want. I'm just going to have it 1.0. Click on finish. It should open up. Anyway, so now the project is loaded. It will look like this. Now you're going to have to import couple things. Now I'm not going to show you how to download a Spigot.jar because that's fairly simple. You just go to getbucket.com and click on the download link for Spigot. Now click on product structure. Now have these set to 1.8 and have this set to 1.8. Artifacts, add jar. No, never mind. That's to actually build it. That's a module again. Dependencies, and add jar to library or directory. I already have one of the jars, so I'm just gonna go to development and select the jar from just here, external jars, Spigot, and here we go. Now click on apply, and now let's import it. So first up, we're going to do some bit of organisation. We can delete the test because I don't really use it. And in the Java main, right click, new package. Now, of course, it'll be the exact same as your group ID you did in your configuration. Unit dot package. So then I'll actually do the plugin name. So it's gonna be a tutorial. And then the main class, don't have your main class called main, and no, do not name any of your packages with capitals, and do not name any of your classes with lowercase. Well, start with lowercase, sorry. Tutorial. Oh, you see, I actually didn't mean to do that. I forgot I was creating a package, so I'm just going to quickly delete that. Let's do new class instead. So now we have this loaded. We have to first extend the Java plugin. So let's go back, start extend Java plugin. It takes a bit of time to load it because I'm on a hard drive. and now this knows that this will be the main class, or that will extend the actual plugin. So what I like to do next is I like to right click on the resources, new, file, plugin.yml, like so. Now in here you'll need your name, so let's get name tutorial. Now you cannot have any spaces in the name. Then I'll let's do the version. Got 1.0, and we're going to have a main which will point to our net dot tutorial dot tutorial. Let's see if I can spell that right. Like so. You can add a description if you want, but yeah. You have to have some dependency if you want dependency. Anyway, that's that class file done for now. So first we have to set up to let it know that we want to load the plugin. So you can click add override. We do a public void on enable, and this is what we have on enable. Very simple, like so. What you have an override? Oh, cancel that. That's override. Public void on disable. Now this will just say whenever the plugin disables, you can run something. Whenever the plugin enabled, you can run something. Like so. And next we're just going to get the instance of the class so we can actually access the actual Java plugin. So we're going to do a private static tutorial. We're going to instance. Down here we're going to do a public static tutorial. Get instance, and we're going to return tutorial dot instance. Now the instance will be of course the unenable and of course the Java plugin. So we'll do tutorial dot instance is equal to this, and this is how a basic setup should look. Now let's run through some organisation real quick. If you're working for someone and they ask for some proper formatting, it's highly recommended that you just comment about the class and what this class does. So this is the main class, and above everything, every method, we'll have what this method does. So we have a this runs when the plugin runs, when the plugin starts. This runs when the plugin stops. This gets the instance of the class. That's fairly much it. You can also comment on this as well, but I don't really like doing that. This is just a standard procedure of formatting. So yeah, that's how you set up, or that's how you first set up your Java plugin. In the next video, we'll run through some basics. We'll do a simple hello world command, and after that we'll maybe do some events and a bit of MySQL and a lot more, so stay tuned for that if you want it, of course, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.